For 68 years, Charles Osborne couldn't escape the relentless rhythm of hiccups, a condition that began unexpectedly in 1922 and persisted through the decades, setting a record for the longest hiccuping spree ever documented. Imagine the daily challenges: eating, sleeping, and even conversing, all interrupted by an unstoppable hiccup every 10 seconds, a staggering total of 430 million hiccups over his lifetime. Doctors were baffled, unable to pinpoint a definitive cause or cure, leaving Osborne to adapt his life around this constant, involuntary spasm. Despite the unimaginable disruption, Osborne's resilience shone through. He continued to work on his farm and even start a family, proving that the human spirit can endure even the most peculiar adversities. His story isn't just about a medical anomaly, it's a testament to living with an extraordinary condition and finding a semblance of normalcy amidst the hiccups.